Hello guys, today we will talk about the calcium phosphates industries. Large ton of low-grade calcium phosphate are made of as fertilizers. These are two type of distinct grades possible based on the methods of production from phosphate rock, the superphosphate and triple superphosphate. The superphosphate made by reacting phosphate rock with sulfuric acid contains 16 to 20% of phosphoric pentoxide, and the triple superphosphate are made by reacting phosphatic rock with phosphoric acid contains 42 to 50% of phosphoric pentoxide. Only superphosphate is produced in India economic for the economic reasons discussed later. After 1962, no further licenses of superphosphate plant was permitted to promote the growth of mixed chemical fertilizers which contain various percentage of N P2O5 and K2O. This move was to force the agriculturists to work with the highest cost balanced ingredient fertilizers which ultimately yield better crops with larger profits. We will talk about the superphosphate. For that, what are the raw materials required? We will talk about high 30 to 35% of phosphoric pentoxide grade of natural or beneficized phosphate rock is ordinarily specified since the demand is high for the P2O5 content product. Dilute sulfuric acid containing 60 to 70 to 72% of H2SO4 is only the other chemical involved. The process description. Phosphoric rock lumps are crushed in a jaw crusher and ground to 100 mesh in a hammer or a ring mill. After that, a continuous feed of dilute sulfuric acid containing concentration of 60 to 70% around, and powdered rock phosphate is monitored by automatic control in a steel through lead line and brick line covered with a hood to collect silica phosphate and hydrogen fluoride fumes. The rotation mechanism made of cast iron blades on a square shaft moved the product gradually forward at the rate of 0.2 to 0.5 meter per minute through a 12 to 15 meter reactor conveyor unit. With proper grinding and acid control, the reaction is effectively complete and can be sent directly to a granulator. The older method was to store for nominal 24-hour period to ensure complete reaction. The silica phosphate and hydrogen fumes along with the CO2 are scrubbed in water, and the silica is removed by sodium chloride according to the chemical equation 1.2b, that is hydrogen fluoride react with silica to give SiF4 plus water. After that, the silica phosphate react with again with water to give H2SiF6 plus SiO2, and after that the H2SiF6 react with sodium chloride to give Na2SiF6 plus 2HCl. The porous crumbly material from the den is mixed with the rock dust from the grinding selections of the plant and fed inside the sloping rotary drum. The water is sprayed on the tumbling solids to form a free-flowing granule and enhance the acidification reaction. The product is dry in a rotary dryer and packed into a 50 kg plastic lineup jute bags.